Hey everyone, for UI and UX design, we're going to use Figma. Figma is a powerful, collaborative, cloud-based tool for designing websites and apps. The best part, it has a fantastic free version. Let's get started. Step 1. The interface and frames. Figma's interface is clean. On the left, you have your layers panel, which also shows your assets. In the middle is your infinite canvas, and on the right, you have the design panel, which is like Illustrator's properties panel. In Figma, you don't use artboards. You use frames. Select the frame tool from the toolbar. It looks like a hash sign. In the design panel on the right, you'll now see a list of preset sizes for phones, tablets, and desktops. Let's pick iPhone 14. A new frame perfectly sized appears on your canvas. This will be our app screen. Step 2. Adding elements, shapes, and text. Just like in Illustrator, you can add shapes. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Let's draw a rectangle at the top of our iPhone frame to be a status bar. In the design panel, go to the fill section and change its color. Now, grab the text tool, the T icon. Click inside your frame and type welcome. You can change the font, size, and weight over in the design panel, just like you'd expect. Step 3. Basic prototyping. This is where the magic happens. Let's make a second screen. Select your entire iPhone frame. Just click its name. And press Ctrl or Command plus D to duplicate it. On the new frame, change the welcome text to success. Now, go back to your first frame. Let's add a button. Just draw another rectangle and put some text on it that says Login. Click on the Prototype tab at the top of the right-hand panel. Now, select the login button you just made. You'll see a small blue circle appear on its side. Click and drag from the circle and draw a line or noodle to your second frame. An interaction details box will pop up. Just leave it as on top and navigate to. Now, click the present button, the play icon, in the top right corner. You'll see your design in a new tab. Click your login button and it will switch to your success screen. You just made your first interactive prototype. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to set up screens using frames, add basic design elements, and link them together into a clickable prototype. You're well on your way to designing your own apps in Figma.